said our
thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Nassau County in northeastern Florida, northwestern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northern Clay County in northeastern Florida, Duval County in northeastern Florida, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Normandy, or near Jacksonville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Orange Park, Green Cove Springs, Jacksonville International Airport, Arlington, Ponte Vedra Beach, the University of North Florida, Mandarin, Fruit Cove, and Middleburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Duval, Nassau, and St. Johns.
That dog can sell anything.
Good evening. Here's an update on last week's nursing home expose.